In this episode, a typical family demonstrates how small grocery choices ripple outward to the planet, starting with smarter shopping and meal planning. They track expiration dates, plan meals for the week, and buy imperfect produce, which can cut household food waste by up to 30% according to recent studies. Smart storage with clear containers and labeled leftovers keeps food fresh longer, reducing fridge waste by about a third and saving money in the process. A neighbor's switch to reusable bags saves hundreds of plastic bags each year, illustrating a simple, tangible habit. If one family cuts waste by 20%, the cumulative national impact would be substantial, driving down emissions and saving resources for future generations.